Huawei is back with a bang. The brand has just dropped its brand new Huawei Pura 80 series, and trust me, this lineup is going to make waves in the smartphone world. From a massive 6.8-inch display to a revolutionary 1-inch main camera and even a world's first switchable telephoto lens, this is not your average flagship launch. So let's dive in and uncover what makes the Pura 80 series one of the most exciting smartphones of 2025. Huawei has officially launched the Pura 80 series, and it includes not one but 4 models: Pura 80, 80 Pro, 80 Pro Plus, and the top-of-the-line 80 Ultra. Starting with the design, the Pro, Pro Plus, and Ultra models feature a stunning 6.8-inch quad-curved OLED panel, while the standard Pura 80 goes with a 6.6-inch flat screen. You'll be blown away by the visuals here: 3000 nits peak brightness, HDR vivid quality, 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, and over 1 billion colors. That means whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just scrolling, you'll get one of the best displays in the industry. But the real magic lies in the cameras. Huawei has equipped the series with a 50-megapixel ultra-large 1-inch main sensor, using RYYB technology for better light capture. The Ultra model takes it even further with TCG triple real-time fusion technology, pushing the dynamic range to 16 eV, making low-light shots look insanely realistic. Now here's where Huawei really changed the game. The Pura 80 Ultra becomes the world's first smartphone with a dual-lens switchable telephoto system. That's right, this camera has 2 mirrors inside, allowing you to switch between 3.7x and 9.4x optical zoom. It basically gives you focal lengths from 13mm wide all the way up to 212mm telephoto. To put it simply, it's like carrying 2 pro-level zoom lenses in your pocket. Powering all this innovation is Huawei's very own HarmonyOS NEXT, along with the new Arc engine, delivering a 36% performance boost. This means smoother multitasking, better animations, and an overall flagship-level experience. When it comes to battery, Huawei didn't hold back either. The Ultra, Pro, and Pro Plus pack a massive 5700 battery with 100-watt fast-wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging. The standard version still gets a solid 5600 pack with 66-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, more than enough for all-day usage. And of course, all this premium tech does come at a premium price. The Pura 80 Pro starts at $904, the Pro Plus goes for $1110, and the Ultra is priced at $1390. Honestly, looking at the features, these price tags sound pretty justified for anyone who wants cutting-edge smartphone technology. So what do you think? Does Huawei finally have a true flagship that can compete with the likes of Samsung and Apple? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your tech-loving friends, and of course, subscribe to ToPhoneGyan for more in-depth reviews and the latest tech updates. Huawei is clearly making a strong comeback with the Pura 80 series, not just with powerful specs, but also by pushing boundaries in smartphone camera technology. With over $173 billion invested in R&D over the last decade, Huawei is proving it's serious about innovation.